afternoon mga kapadyak. 2:25 PM Toronto. Good morning Pilipinas. Day 4 GCC. Ride lang tayo 50 kilometers siguro hopefully today. Okay, regards to everyone, ride safe, and thank you for helping me on this cause. Sa mga nag-donate na, nag-pledge na sa akin, thank you so much sa inyo. At doon sa mag-donate pa lang, magpe-pledge, advance thank you. Mabuhay tayo lahat hanggang gusto natin. Have a good day. Shout out to all. Bye bye. Yo, I got rained out, so I gotta go home now. I'm planning to do 50, but it's rained me out. I have 31 kilometers so far. Well, again, it's unsafe now to ride the bike, especially road bike. See you. Thank you to all. Bye. Please follow me, Tutuyan Adventures from Toronto, Philippines. Thank you mga subscriber ko. Maraming salamat.